Welcome all of you in online teaching learning process. We have started paper number 13 inorganic chemistry, in which we have seen unit number 3 chemistry of F block elements. From this unit number 3 we have started part A lanthanides, and in our last video we have seen electronic configuration of lanthanides and oxidation state of lanthanides, and in this lecture we will see lanthanide contraction. So in the case of lanthanide contraction, already we have know that the position of lanthanide is the group number 6 and period number 3, and this lanthanide series also called as 4F series, and for convenience purpose they are placed at the bottom of the periodic table and they are called as inner transition elements. So in the case of lanthanide contraction, first we will see definition of lanthanide contraction. The atomic and ionic size usually decrease from left to right across a period, and this is due to increase in effective nuclear charge Z star, which pulls the orbital electrons closer to the nucleus. Then that is the cause of lanthanide contraction. So in the case of lanthanide contraction, in lanthanide atoms and ions, the 4F orbital is filled successively from cerium to lutetium. That is, after lanthanum all the incoming electron goes into the 4F orbital series. So in general the shielding effect of electrons decreases in the order, that is, S orbital shows more shielding than P than F. So F orbital show less shielding effect, and the expression for effective nuclear charge Z star is equal to Z minus S. Z means atomic number, minus S means screening of electrons or shielding electrons. Then what are the consequences of lanthanide contraction? Then we will see consequences of lanthanide contraction. First one, due to the close similarity in electronic configuration, the lanthanides have identical chemical properties. All the lanthanide series having identical chemical property because of similar electronic configuration. That is, outermost, that is 5d16s2 is fixed one. Then in the case of lanthanide contraction, which also explains the decreasing basicity of the lanthanides, which shows the decreasing basicity of lanthanides. Then certain pairs of elements such as, that is, zirconium, hafnium, niobium, tantalum and molybdenum tungsten have almost identical size against the expected size increase due to increased atomic number. That is, due to the lanthanide contraction, the elements like zirconium, hafnium, that is 5d and 6d series elements, niobium, tantalum, then molybdenum, tungsten, technetium, rhenium, ruthenium, osmium, rhodium, iridium, palladium, platinum and silver, gold having same atomic radii, and these elements are called as chemical twins of the periodic table. So this is a direct consequence of the lanthanide contraction. So we already know that lanthanides, because they are so similar to the element lanthanum, so this series is a lanthanum, started from lanthanum, and last one is a lutetium. Then in the case of consequences of lanthanide contraction, that is, post lanthanide elements such as zirconium and hafnium show similar ionic radii, though they belong to first and second transition series, that is, having same ionic radii. Because of lanthanide contraction, all these post lanthanide elements show same properties. Then lanthanides show similar physical and chemical properties, so they are hard to separate. So we cannot separate easily these lanthanides from each other. Then from consequences, first is among lanthanides, first point is a basicity. Basicity of ions decreases from lanthanum 3+ to lutetium 3+. So their oxides and hydroxides are less basic in nature. That is, basic nature goes on decreases from lanthanum to lutetium. So lanthanum is most basic, while last one lutetium is the least basic. As the atomic size decreases across the series, the elements following lanthanides show change in their physical properties. That is, first property, the ionization potential increases from lanthanum to lutetium. Then metallic nature decreases, electropositivity decreases, electronegativity increases, and tendency to form complexes also increases from lanthanum to lutetium. Then in the case of post-lanthanides, that is, first occurrence of elements as pairs, chemical twins, due to similar size of 4D and 5D in a group, they have similar physical and chemical properties. They occur together in nature and their separation become very difficult. So these are the chemical twins: zirconium, hafnium, niobium, tantalum, and molybdenum, tungsten. Then in case of densities, 5D elements have very high densities. As down the group there is large increase in mass but no increase in volume, so all have same densities. Then occurrence of yttrium along with heavier lanthanides. Yttrium has similar charge and size as like holmium 3+ and erbium 3+, hence it occurs with along with them and separation is difficult. So in the case of effects of lanthanide contraction, there are similar number of valency and property is called chemical twins. So these are the zirconium, hafnium having atomic radii 145 picometer and 144 picometer, that is, they are similar. Niobium, tantalum, almost same atomic radii. Then molybdenum, tungsten, and technetium, rhenium, almost same atomic radii. Then in case of lanthanide contraction, that is, their size goes on decreases from lanthanum to lutetium. Lanthanum shows large size but lutetium having small size. In the case of lanthanide contraction, as the atomic number increases in lanthanides series, for every proton added to the nucleus, the extra electron goes into the 4f orbital series, and 4f electrons constitute inner cells and therefore are not so effective in shielding the nuclear charge, because 4f orbitals are deeply buried in the cell, so they are not shielded. They didn't show shielding property correctly. So due to this, lanthanide contraction takes place. So what is lanthanide contraction? That is, here size goes on decreases from lanthanum to lutetium. Size of cationic radius of lanthanide is in picometer. These are the size: 115 picometer and last one 93 picometer. So in the case of lanthanide contraction, the steady decrease in atomic radii or lanthanides with increase in atomic number is called lanthanide contraction. That is, steady decrease in atomic radii takes place in lanthanide series, and this is called as lanthanide contraction. Already we have seen the consequences, that is similar in the atomic sizes of the elements of second and lanthanide contractions, that is second and third transition series, possesses almost similar atomic radii. That is the reason, that is zirconium 160 picometer and hafnium 159 picometer, almost identical radii. Then variation in basic strength of hydroxide. Basic strength follow decreasing trend due to lanthanide contraction, that is LaOH thrice. Lanthanum hydroxide is more basic than lutetium hydroxide. And last one, separation of lanthanides. Separation of lanthanides is possible only due to lanthanide contraction. All the lanthanides have quite similar properties, and due to this reason they are difficult to separate, but due to lanthanide contraction slightly variation in their property takes place which help to separate them by ion exchange technique. By ion exchange method we can separate lanthanides from each other. So overall, due to lanthanide contraction, covalent character increases from lanthanum 3+ to lutetium 3+. So lutetium shows more covalent character, that is cationic size lanthanum having 103 picometer and lutetium having cationic size 86 picometer. So lanthanum having larger size, lanthanum 3+ as compared to lutetium 3+, size goes on decreases from lanthanum to lutetium. But in case of hydroxide, that is LaOH thrice, lanthanum hydroxide and lutetium hydroxide, basic character increases from left to right, that is lanthanum hydroxide is a more basic as compared to lutetium hydroxide. So this is about the lanthanum contraction. So thank you all of you for listening this video.